Indiana Rose. I caught a glimpse of you out on the road, quiet like a dove. You're whispering a symphony unknown, breathing the breeze and trying to grow, lost in the sight of you all alone. Here I'll stay till dawn. The breeze in the sky sings me a song. Here I'll stay till dawn.
今天快饿死了，我8个小时一直在站着。
你看啥呢？
看空。哦，今天风特别大，你知道吗？然后我开过 Nova 的时候，发现我要了 fire，然后我感觉风这么大，它应该还会蔓延的挺快的。